Algebra 2, set 86, practice. Okay, so the first problem, graph. Negative x is not less than or equal to 4. Your domain is the integers. If it's not less than or equal to 4, that means that negative x is greater than 4. If it's greater than 4, then, and we're using integers, did it again. You have to divide by -1. Divide by -1, switch the sign, you get x is less than -4. Now, if it's less than -4, we have to put an open circle at -4, and it's integers, so we put the points at -5 and -6 and so on. Okay, part B, solve the system of equations. This is the same as what we did before. We're going to solve the bottom equation for y. So y equals 1 plus x. We're going to take it and plug it in up above. So let's square it so we can get a y squared. So y squared is x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now we'll plug that in the top equation. X squared plus 2x plus 1 equals 11. We'll simplify. 2x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals 11. Subtract that 11, so we get -10. Divide everything by 2. So we get x squared plus x minus 5 equals 0. Now if you tried to factor that, you just figure out what multiplies to give you 5 and adds to give you 1. You're going to come up empty-handed. And so we have to use the quadratic formula. So we can figure out a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to -5. The opposite of b, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, and then we just simplify. So we have -1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus 20 all over 2. Put 1 and 20 together, you get 21, all of that over 2. So our x is equal to -1/2 plus square root of 21 over 2 and -1/2 minus the square root of 21 over 2. Okay, those are our x's. Now we need to find our y's. So let's go back to our original equation. We're going to plug it in to the easier one, y minus x equals 1. So y minus -1/2 plus 21 square root of 21 over 2 equals 1. We'll add to both sides, so we get y equals 1 minus 1/2 plus square root of 21 over 2. Put 1 and 1/2 together, so y equals 1/2 plus square root of 21 over 2. There's our first solution for y. Now let's get our second solution. So now we're going to do the second group. Y minus -1/2 minus 21 square root of 21 over 2 equals 1. Add it to both sides. Simplify. And there's our second one. Now the last step is to write it as an ordered pair. And there's your solution.